Understanding Universal Basic Income (UBI) concept. Universal Basic Income (UBI) is a model where all members of a community receive a regular, unconditional sum of money to cover their basic needs. The goal is to reduce poverty, promote financial security, and allow individuals to pursue personal growth or entrepreneurship without the fear of losing their income. A successful UBI experiment requires careful planning and community involvement. Determining the funding source for UBI. The first step in designing a UBI experiment is identifying the funding source. This could come from government funds, philanthropic donations, private investors, or local taxes. Research existing UBI models to understand potential revenue streams, such as taxes on automation or carbon taxes. It's vital to ensure the funding is sustainable for the duration of the experiment. Defining the UBI amount and frequency. Decide on the amount of money each participant will receive. A basic calculation involves setting an amount that covers essential living expenses like food, housing, and healthcare. The frequency of payments, e.g., monthly or weekly, must also be determined. It's crucial that the amount strikes a balance between providing sufficient support and not discouraging worker productivity. Selecting a representative sample of participants. Choose a representative sample of your community to participate in the UBI experiment. Ensure the group reflects diverse demographics, such as age, income level, employment status, and family structure. A randomized selection helps reduce bias and provides more accurate insights into the effects of UBI across different segments of society. Establishing clear goals and metrics for success. Set clear objectives for the UBI experiment, such as reducing poverty, improving mental health, or increasing educational attainment. Develop specific metrics to track the success of these goals, including income levels, employment status, health outcomes, and community engagement. These metrics will help measure the real-world impact of UBI on the lives of participants. Implementing administrative systems for UBI distribution. Create a system for distributing UBI payments that is simple, transparent, and secure. This could involve setting up direct deposit systems, mobile apps, or debit cards to ensure smooth transactions. Address issues such as fraud prevention and ensure accessibility for participants without bank accounts. A user-friendly system promotes trust in the program. Monitoring and evaluating the impact over time. As the UBI experiment progresses, monitor its impact on participants' lives. Collect both qualitative and quantitative data through surveys, interviews, and regular check-ins. Track how participants are using their UBI, whether it's for basic needs, debt reduction, education, or entrepreneurship. Evaluate both short-term and long-term outcomes to assess the full effect. Addressing potential challenges and feedback. Anticipate challenges such as public skepticism, political opposition, or logistical hurdles. Address these concerns by maintaining transparency about the experiment's goals, funding, and results. Encourage open feedback from participants and the wider community, making adjustments as necessary to improve the program's effectiveness and ensure fairness. Ensuring community buy-in and involvement. Community support is critical for the success of a UBI experiment. Engage local leaders, businesses, and organizations to advocate for the project and encourage participation. Create opportunities for the community to be involved in decision-making and offer resources for participants to learn about the benefits and goals of UBI. Scaling the experiment for broader impact. If the pilot UBI experiment is successful, consider expanding it to include more participants or even neighboring communities. Use the data collected to refine the program and address any unforeseen issues. Successful experiments can serve as models for larger-scale implementations, influencing policy changes and contributing to the broader conversation about economic inequality and social welfare.